how to change control center on Android. So if you want to go to control center settings or change your control center on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply go with search or the magnifying icon, which is on the upper right, and you need to search for control center. Once you search for the control center, then you may have the control center settings. You just need to simply go with the control center settings and then you can change it. But if you don't have that option, in many Android devices, we don't have the option to change the control center settings, right? In that case, you can simply go with your Play Store and you can simply install a third-party application, any application that you're comfortable with, which can help you to change your control center, and then you can use that. Or there is also an alternative way. What you need to do is just simply go with the upper right, which has that pencil shaped icon, and then you can go and personalize your control center. So you can simply add any controls right here. You can drag and drop those, or you can just simply drag and drop or move the items that are on the control center. You can hold and drag to rearrange it. So that's it. That's how you can change your control center on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.